Hey, hello, welcome back to my channel. I've been needing to post and do my hair, so I figure what the heck, I'll make a video. My hair is pretty much natural. I'm gonna just be toning. I was gonna do some bleaching, but I'm not gonna get into all that. It's pretty much natural from like here, like I haven't dyed or done anything to it in quite a while. Grays that are creeping up in there. I don't know, I'm 40, so probably grays. I'm just telling myself they're blonde. I'm like, they're just really cute little blondes, but I've been needing, my hair's gross. I really like literally just left the gym, but I wanted to brighten this up. So it's very like the darker up here, and then as it goes down it's lighter, and here's the difference. You can kind of see what it looks like, color difference. So I got two different toners. My toners, I have them in my little hair dyeing cabinet over here. I had everything that I needed. I have my sister leave me some 20 developer in here, so it's really 20 in here, but I checked my cabinet and I already have like half a gallon, which I didn't know, and she brought me these and I already had this, so yeah, I have every type of volume there is. And yeah, check your cabinets, I guess. There's even some hair in here. Don't know what, I think it's a pony. T27 and T11. So the T27 I'm going to use up here, and then the T11 down here. And this says, so the T11's lightest beige blonde, and then this one's medium beige blonde. So I think that's accurate for what I have going on here. Okay, I'm back, and I am going to now section here into 4 sections to make it easier. And then also get my toner all mixed up and ready to go. And this is the right tone. Guess we'll see. I'm excited because my hair's been very dull and for a while. Okay, honestly, now I'm trying to figure out how I should do this because I'm trying to use 2 toners at the same time. Should I do one first and then wash it out and then do the other one, or should I just do it all at once? I don't know if I have the skills to do it all at once, or because I don't think you leave it in very long. Up to 30 minutes. Okay, if I should just go for it, mix both of them and then just go to town, or if I should dang, I didn't even think about that because it's gonna take me so much more time. But am I going to be able to blend it properly myself? This is the hard part of doing it yourself. Should have done it when my sister was here and I had help. I think I'll probably just part it halfway and then just try to move quickly and then do the roots. I do have one of these. Just do my roots with the darker toner, and then yeah, I'm actually getting nervous. I just have such thick hair, so I have to work pretty quickly. I don't know if it matters too much actually because I'm using toner. It's not like I'm bleaching it, so it's nice and freshly chopped. If you want to go back and see how I did my own haircut, actually it looks really good. I mean, I like it. Might not be your style, but I like it because I have such thick hair, so to have like these choppy layers really helps me out a ton, because when you have thick hair it's a lot to deal with. Like I usually just throw it up. It's my hairdo. Just a ponytail or a bun. So okay, I'm gonna get these mixed and then I will decide what I'm gonna do because I don't know now. Okay, change of plans. My plans keep changing. I'm just gonna use these little paper bowls. I hope that's okay. I hope it doesn't really matter. And then I'm gonna mix them in here. I put some paper towels down in case I have some dripping, have some paper towels ready to go. I think I'm just gonna have them both mixed ready and then just go to town. Oh my God, I almost forgot it needs to be damp. My hair needs to be damp, so Yes, dampen the hair, guys. I'm just gonna fill it up. Ooh, it fills up the whole thing. So this is a perfect. So one of these, and then two of the others. And I hope this bowl lasts. Am I recording even? Okay, good. Yeah, I'm recording. Losing my mind here. Okay, so probably right there, I would say. Yeah, so about 4 inches down. So let's get this show going. What, baby? I have to remember not to touch down here because that's where the lighter toner is going to go. So I have to be very careful. Oh my gosh. How am I going to do this? I really wish I had some help.
Okay, and now at this point, I am realizing I didn't mix the lighter toner for the bottom half of my hair. So I'm rushing to get that done. I don't know why. I think I changed my mind last minute and decided it would be easier just to do it all at the same time. So that's what I'm doing here. Ugh. It's really hard watching yourself from the side view with the extra chins. Torture. But it's for art, so it's okay.
Toner looks completely different. See the difference? Oh, I think I need to see the color difference. I think I need a bowl. I think it's eating through this bowl right now. Probably shouldn't have used paper bowls. I didn't have the proper bowls, the mixing bowls. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I get my hairline done really good because that's what I am most concerned, how the front looks, because I can't see the back, so not too worried about that, honestly. It's just the blending part, honestly, that I'm kind of worried about. Like this part, no problem. I do want to bring it down some. My God, it's so wavy already. My hair gets so wavy. Like as soon as, like I can't let it just naturally dry because it will be like wavy in some parts and then it'll be freaking straight in other parts. Very confused hair I have. I have this much left and my bowl is melting. Get it in there, but I'm like, so it needs, whew, Oh my God. Let me turn this fan off. I need to blend it. So how do I know? I can't tell. How do I know if it's blending properly? I guess I'll find out when I'm done. This side now. Should brush it. The brush is gonna turn all different colors now too. Watch. Shoot. Probably gonna show up in about 30 minutes all over my floor. Feeling good. Feeling very confident. It's hard to tell. Oh my gosh. It's kind of hard to tell because I don't know. I'm sure there's toner on everything. That's for sure. Okay, so I started the roots about 30 minutes ago, but it said up to 30 minutes, so I'm gonna leave it in a little longer. Hopefully, I'll blow dry it and it'll look amazing. So I'll be back in a little bit. All right, good morning. Of course, I had to wait till the morning time so I could actually straighten it and everything. I'm not doing that at whatever time I got done at last night. So this is what it looks like now. It's not a huge difference. It definitely looks more even and healthy.
I'm always very tempted to go back bleach blonde, and then I look at these pictures. I had tracks in and my hair was so scraggly and unhealthy. It's so much better now.
The roots for sure look better. Like it's much prettier up top. I don't know if I did the blending right, but I don't know. The color is the same. It just has a different shine to it. It looks healthier and more natural and not like, I can't explain it. I'm about to throw some curls in it. See how that looks. And I gotta hurry though because I'm about to be late. Yeah, looks good. I think curls in it. Yeah, it definitely looks better.
Excuse my crazy braids, but I wanted to show the color of my roots. This is yesterday's hairdo and I went sledding, so they are very blonde looking.
Definitely looks healthier and pretty. Do a slow-mo. Pretty good for DIY. You want the camera to see you? We gotta do your hair first, girl. You gotta get to school. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.